Hey everyone, if you want to save money using Safeway digital coupon in store, here's exactly how to do it. First, you'll need a Safeway app. If you don't have one yet, you can download it in your iPhone or Android. Then log in to your Safeway account. Once you're logged in, tap the Deals tab at the bottom middle of the screen, and here you'll see all available digital coupons. Tap Clip Deal on any offer that you want to use. The first way to redeem the coupons is by tapping the drop down in the bottom middle of the screen. And at checkout, scan the QR code, and all clip deals will automatically apply to eligible items. The second way is to tap the member mode in the bottom right corner. Go to Wallet, then scan the QR code at checkout to apply all the clip savings. If you don't clip a deal, it will not apply. And that's how you use a Safeway digital coupons in store and save instantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.